Bradley's is the nationwide leader in the electric motor and generator repair, rewinding, and load testing industry, serving petroleum, petrochemical, manufacturing, wind energy, marine and mining firms worldwide for 92 years. Bradley's is ISO 9001-2015 certified since the year 2000. We are committed to a lean manufacturing philosophy throughout our shop. Our safety record and warranty statistics are exemplary. Bradley's specializes in small to ultra-large electric motor and generator repair, rewinding, horizontal and vertical load testing, climate control asset storage, field services, and new motor sales. Bradley's 110,000 square foot facility is one of the largest electric motor repair and testing centers in the U.S., employing a 100-ton bridge crane with a 45-foot hook height. Bradley's load testing facility is the only shop in the USA testing vertical motors in the upright position. Avoid the expense of installation and startup delays by load testing your recently repaired critical motor to identify performance or site-related issues. Load testing enables Bradley's to identify reliability issues before your motor is stored in a warehouse for many years and validates the design of your repurposed motor. Hollow and solid shaft vertical motor load testing is performed. Two separate load test stands accommodate vertical motors. Motors 0 to 1200 RPM, up to 4500 horsepower, 34,000 pound-feet of torque. Motors weighing 75,000 pounds or more, and motors 0 to 3600 RPMs, up to 2250 horsepower, 8,000 pound-feet of torque. Motors weighing 15,000 pounds or more. Bradley's vertical load testing stands are designed with vibration monitoring in mind. All performance parameters monitored and recorded in real time. Power: kW, kVA, volts, amps, power factor and efficiency. Temperature: 6 stator, 2 bearing, 2 ambient and 2 cooling water. Speed, torque, vibration and other data points. Data collection includes 100 samples per second recording of speed. Current voltage and torque creates high-resolution speed versus current torque curves. VFD and motor string test up to 13.2 kV. Bradley's large motor load testing capabilities are well known in the industry. Precision torque measurements and power input measurements assess your motor's performance. Your load test is managed by metallurgical, electrical, and mechanical engineers and experienced load testing staff experts. Our dynamometer has a torque measurement device capable of measuring 52,083 pound-feet at 3,600 RPM with a 0.1% accuracy on a motor load test. The dynamometer setup has several available combinations of speed and horsepower. We can perform a motor load test up to 7,000 horsepower AC or 3,500 amps, 750 volts for DC motors. Data collection includes up to 20 temperature test points, power, HP, efficiency, power factor, torque, speed, currents and voltages. Certified load testing capabilities: AC 7,000 HP, DC 2,500 and 3,500 amp, 750 volt, 480 volt to 13.2 kV, 65,000 pound-feet torque maximum, 38,000 pound-feet torque measured, locked rotor, speed, torque and current curve, 100 to 4,200 RPM, efficiency, water-cooled motors, 10 feet by 52 feet test bed, IEEE 112 and 115 standard testing, VFD motor system testing, generators up to 7 MW. All instrumentation is calibrated to ISO 17025. No load testing capabilities. 13.8 kVA, 7 MVA to MG set, 35,000 HP full voltage. Bradley's comfortable state-of-the-art in-house load testing control room offers remote monitoring of live data collection and live video stream. See why the nation's largest companies choose Bradley's to ensure their motors are reliable and functioning at peak performance. Visit bradleysmotors.com.